So with this one here, factorize this, okay? We put 15x, don't we, in both brackets, okay? This is 15x squared in the question, 15x in both brackets, and then we do the multiply add thing over here. Now they need to multiply, and of course we need to times that by that, don't we? Okay, so 15 times 8, I mean you can use your calculator, is 120, so multiply to give minus 120, because it's 15 times minus 8. It's going to add up to give minus 14. Okay, so two numbers. Well, if we think about 120, like 2 times 60, yeah, will give me 120. That's no good because I can't get minus 14 from that. 3 goes into 120. Okay, 40 times, yeah, so 3 times 40. Okay, that's no good. 4 goes into it. 4 goes into 120 30 times. Again, that's no good. 5 goes into 120. Now, if you're not sure how many times it goes in, you could just use a calculator, can't you? Get 24. Okay, so 120 divided by 5 is 24. And again, that's no good because we can't get minus 14 from that. But 6, let's see how many times 6 goes into 120. 120 divided by 6 goes into it 20 times. Now we can get minus 14 from that, can't we? If we make it a plus 6 and a minus 20, plus 6 and a minus 20, that will add up to minus 14, won't it? Because minus 20 add 6 is minus 14, and they multiply to give that. So I'm going to go plus 6 minus 20. And remember then, I've got to start pay back, haven't I? Because I times by 15 up here to start. Okay, I need to pay back and divide by 15. So we look at the first bracket for common factors, and if you notice 15 and 6, 3 is actually a common factor. So 3 times 5x, okay, and then 3 times 2 will give me that. And in this bracket here, 15x and 20, 5 is a common factor, isn't it? 5. So 5 times 3x gives me that. 5 times 4 gives me that. Okay, so divided by 15, all in all, and we've got 3 times 5, which is 15. Cancel with that 15 there. So we've got 5x plus 2, 3x minus 4. Then it says hence solve when it's equal to 0. So we put the whole thing equal to 0. The two brackets equal to 0. And remember, when you've got two things times together equals 0, either the first one is 0 or the second bracket is 0. Okay, so take in this case then the 2 over, so it becomes minus 2, and then divide by 5. So we get that answer, and the same here, take that 4 over, minus 4 over, so it becomes 4, take the 3 over then, and divide, so we get 4 thirds.